Hello everyone, greetings from the shed. I just wanted to say hello, especially at this time of uncertainty, these new challenges and new questions that we're all facing in our lives, in our own families and communities. So many new things we've never experienced before. And it feels like that in the Mary's Meals family too, so many new questions. And I suppose just thinking about it, in some ways that's how it's always been for Mary's Meals. From the beginning, we've chosen to be present in places of uncertainty, places of challenge, places of fear even. That's where we choose to work. And so we have a certain experience of this. And from the beginning, part of our reason for being there is to be the sign of hope. And more than ever, I think that's a responsibility for us these days, to try and be a sign of hope in the way we go about this work, in the way we go about trying to keep the promise to the children, in the way that we behave and support each other. And certainly these days, it's felt like that to me. So many messages of support from the Mary's Meals family, so many ideas about how we keep going forward, how we solve things. And I thank you, all of you, for that. And maybe also these days I'm feeling like there are new opportunities, new chances to speak to people who maybe have more time, who are at home, time to think, a little bit of silence, maybe time to assess what's most important in life. Lots of new chances to speak to people and to invite them into this mission, to help us to go forward and to feed the children who we've made that promise to. So more than ever, I thank God for this work, this opportunity to be that sign of hope. Let's ask God to pray for us, maybe in a very particular way these days, to give us the wisdom and the strength we need to keep going forward. Thank you.